In this video tutorial, we'll be going over the JKM Library's Issues and Controversies database. This database includes timely, in-depth articles covering complex, hot-button issues in politics, government, business, society, education, and popular culture. Issues and Controversies was developed in part to help support debate teams, so each article presents both sides of an issue clearly without bias. Issues and Controversies is a really great tool for building basic knowledge about topics in the above subjects, both for academic research and personal understanding. You can access Issues and Controversies by selecting the Find Databases button on the library's homepage, library.chatham.edu, and selecting I in the alphabetized list. On the homepage of Issues and Controversies, you'll be shown several articles on timely news stories and events to explore. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of broad topics that you can browse through. And in the upper right side of the page, you'll find a menu of featured resources that offers you other ways to browse for information, either by general issue or topic, or by type of information you'd like to see, like videos, court cases, editorial, cartoons, and more. You'll notice some language around national debate policies and procedures throughout Issues and Controversies. You'll also see at the top of the homepage a basic keyword search bar with the option for advanced search to the right. If you open advanced search, you'll see a lot of helpful filters available to you. By selecting the appropriate filters, you'll be able to narrow your search results down to results that are hopefully more relevant to your search topic. You can do basic keyword searches on your general topic to get pro-con articles, newspaper articles and editorials, media like videos, infographics, and so much more. You can also often get encyclopedia-like entries on these basic topics. If I'm interested in the history of women and labor rights, I can construct a search phrase here in advanced search and select a few subject filters to narrow my initial search down and get a pretty manageable search result back. In this search result, we see 107 articles pop up. Not all of these results are going to be super specific to what we need, but it's helpful to browse through them regardless. At the top of the page, we see options for narrowing our list down by type of item. So we have articles, primary sources, court cases, media of various kinds, editorials, and newspaper articles. To the right, we have additional filters that can change based on the type of item we're looking at. You can play with all of these to further narrow your search down. I also like using the All Issues A to Z page to help me with my searches. This page offers an alphabetized list of current popular issues in public discourse. You can browse issues alphabetically or use the Filter by Topic menu to the right to narrow your topics down further. If I'm still interested in labor unions, I can select L and look to see if there is a pre-made page on the subject. And there is. This page will give me several subpages of related topics to labor unions to pick from. I'm going to select this one. Do labor unions benefit American workers and the U.S. economy? And as you can see right away, we have our pro-con articles arguing both sides of the issue, and then we're given a very in-depth encyclopedia entry on the history of labor unions and the context of their existence in the United States of America. This is really fantastic, and it's all academic and can be used in your academic papers. It's not formally peer-reviewed, but it is checked by editors and professionals. On the right-hand side of this page is a table of contents, which is very helpful for an article as long as this one. You can jump around to different sections easily. Issues and Controversies articles also include discussion questions, additional sources, which can be very helpful when you're looking for resources for your papers, a bibliography, which are the citations for this article, and these can also be very helpful if you're chasing a citation chain, and a list of related keywords. You can use these keywords to do searches in other databases to find related resources. Back up at the top of the article, we see several more options. First, we see that pro-con article is highlighted in blue. That means that's what we're currently viewing. But next to it, we see primary sources, court cases, media, infographics, editorials, and news. These are all types of documents or information. If you're interested in news articles, click on News. If you want to see infographics, click on Infographics, and so on. If we go back to Procon article, we'll see some additional tools pop up at the top. You have several options to save this article, share it, cite it in different major citation styles, listen to this article, or have this article translated into one of these languages. And those are the basics of Issues and Controversies. If you have any questions about this database, please contact a librarian.